It's interesting with ants because the average colony of an ant, depending on the species, can be 20 to 100,000 ants. Once a colony hits full size, they also create satellite colonies, and they break off and continue to outwardly expand with more and more ant colonies. So when you see a couple of lone ants, those are your forager ants, which are just trying to find out if there's food, in which case they call in the friends. And that's when you start seeing that streamlined highway of the ants. But those colonies themselves can sometimes be as far away as your backyard or under a tree out on the sidewalk. But you get those satellite colonies, those can be just under your floor, between the flooring and the under substrate of the floor. They can be in the wall cavity itself. Sometimes you open up the wall, and if it's full of insulation, they will make a colony within the insulation. They can hollow out the bricks of the outside of the building and be within the envelope of the building in the bricks. So where the ants are actually located is most likely within 50 feet of where you're seeing them. And it's going to be somewhere contained. So walls, floors, ceilings, or in the actual soil outside. When they're coming in, they are natural tunnelers. So the thing that you have in your house that's sealing most of these areas is silicone. And silicone is a very soft material that ants can chew right through. And so your silicone is around your pipes, it's going along your baseboard where the floor and the wall meet. And these are areas where the ants will chew right through, and they have a direct line of access from wherever their colony is nearby into where your food is.